In this short video, we're going to show you how you can create a cross-section vector. So the cross-section vector is perfect if you're wanting to figure out the exact profile of a 3D part that you may have. Perhaps it's scanned data that you've brought in and you're doing some restoration work. We have a tool that enables you to easily figure out the exact profile of any 3D part. So if you are using VCarve, over in your Design tab under 3D Model Tools, you can access the Create Cross-Section Vector tool from the 3D Model Tools section. If you are using Aspire, you can access the same tool under the Modeling Tools, and it's this one over here. So we're going to demonstrate this using VCarve. So when I click on the Create Cross-Section Vector, that's going to put me in that mode where I'm able to then specify my points where I want to create the cross-section vector. And I can do this either in the 2D view or in the 3D view. So let's say I wanted to figure out the profile of this border up until this point here. All I need to do is simply click my start point and then just click for my next point. So for example, I'm going to click here and then right click to come out of the tool. So here I have my cross section, and then I can take that, I can just move it over, and then what I could do is I could rotate that. So I could use 0 or 9 just as the keyboard shortcut, and here I'm able to access the exact profile that then perhaps I could use with the molding toolpath, or if I was using Aspire I could actually use this vector to then create a new model. So that's how you use the Create Cross-Section Vector tool.